Below service orders, you will see all the variety of tasks. There are three types of tasks. You'll notice the book task, that's basically going on site. Then there's a scheduled task, and then there's a assign task. The difference between schedule and assign is a scheduled task is given to a technician to complete or an internal staff member to complete at a specific time and date, whereas an assigned task is not given to complete at a particular time and date. So these are all the tasks that are required to be completed, and you will also notice that the check mark is not, it's an open box, so you'll know if it's been completed or not, and if it's been issued into the system or not. And then you'll also see when this task will be issued in the system. It will be issued only after all these other tasks are completed. So you won't actually even see this task, for example, review for website design, until all these other tasks are done. And finally, the messages at the bottom. You'll see all the messages that have been sent to the customer service person, the rep, or the client for the order. I'm going to go back to the top. Now here are some of the actions that can be completed on a service order. You can create a new charge, which would be something additional that you would like to charge the client for, and you can add an invoice item. You can also select the payment now or pay later. The next one is charging the client for a balance that's already due. You can select the payment and you can charge them for a part of the balance or the entire balance. Next is an expense. So this would be a particular expense that needs to be paid to a vendor that's related to this service order. Normally for photography and for other services, when you select the vendor, you'll be selecting how much they will be paid, and that will automatically be paid to the vendor when the work order is completed. These are expenses that would be above and beyond that. So you would select a vendor or enter in new vendor details. You must enter a description, the amount, and if it's already been paid or not, and how was it paid, via the bank account or a particular credit card. And if it hasn't been paid, when should it be paid? Enter the proper release date. The next action is you can pay a technician manually by selecting a technician and entering the amount. You can also pay a sales rep or a referral amount to someone. Finally, you can mark this service order as completed. The service order can be only marked completed if all the tasks are done. So if I try to mark it completed, right now, as you can see, all tasks are not completed, so the service order cannot be marked as completed. Finally, I can cancel the order, and this will cancel any open work orders with technicians, any tasks that are pending, everything will get canceled. And then finally, process tasks. This is a system command, and it will not be used on a normal basis, but sometimes the tasks might not get issued because of some system error, and this command may be required to issue the tasks. This basically concludes the overview of the service orders.